Hello guys, Sanjay here, and as you can see I have the Moto E 1st generation with me, and in this video I am going to show you guys how to install CyanogenMod 13, which is based on Android 6.0.1 or 6.0, and that is Android Marshmallow, which is the latest Android that you can have on your device. And this is the custom ROM that we are going to install because Motorola will not be supporting this device officially with Android Marshmallow. So let's get started. And to do all this, you will need to have an unlocked bootloader and TWRP recovery installed. So if you do not have that installed, then I'll give a video link in the description box below, and you can unlock your bootloader plus flash the custom recovery. So after that's done, simply reboot your device into the recovery mode, and if you have any custom ROM installed, then go into settings, then go into developer option and make sure that advanced reboot option is enabled, and after that long press the power button, select reboot, select recovery and hit OK. Now the device will boot into the custom recovery, that is TWRP in my case. So as you can see, we have successfully booted into the TWRP recovery. Now the first thing that you should do is backup the current ROM, so that if anything goes wrong, then you can simply restore this backup and go back to the ROM which you had earlier. And to restore any backed up ROMs, you can simply go over here and select the package which you had backed up earlier. And now go into wipe and just select swipe to factory reset. And now we'll install the ROM. So for that, go over here, that is install, and if you have kept the zip files in the internal storage like the ROM zip file and the GAP zip file, then simply go over here and scroll down and select the packages. But if you have kept those in microSD card or external storage, then go over here, that is storage, select that and select microSD card, hit OK. And now select the ROM zip file. So here is the ROM zip file, select swipe to confirm flash. So the ROM installation is completed now, and let's go back and once again go into install and select the G apps or Google Apps packages from here and just swipe to confirm flash. All the download links will be in the description box below, so do not worry about that. Simply head over to the description box and you will find all the links. And now the GAPS installation is also completed. So simply click on reboot system and the phone will boot into the CyanogenMod 13 ROM. So as you can see, we have successfully booted into the ROM. So we have booted into the ROM, and let's go into settings and let's go into about phone over here. Then as you can see, it is based on Android 6.0.0. So this is the proof that we have installed Android Marshmallow on the device. And if we go back, okay, go back, and it is CyanogenMod version 13. So that's why we have Android Marshmallow over here. And immediately after the setup, if we go over here, then you will see SanDisk SD card, new SanDisk SD card detected. So hit over here, that is setup, and from here you can select an option. If you want to use it as portable storage, then you can select this option, but I want to use it as internal storage, so I'll select this one and select next. So okay, and this will completely erase your SD card, so make sure that you have backed up everything. So I'll select erase and format. And after this, it will ask move data to new storage. Let's select move now, select next. Okay, move. And do not remove your SD card for anything, otherwise this whole process will be crashed and your phone will also crash. So yeah. So SanDisk card is ready, so select done. So yes, this is how you can flash CyanogenMod 13 on your Moto E 1st generation. And if you want to enable the root access, then go into about phone and tap on the build number 7 times, and after that is done, go over here, that is developer options. I will suggest you to enable advanced reboot, that has nothing to do with root access, and select root access over here, select apps and ADB, allow, yes, okay, and now you have root access enabled. So yeah, this is it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and let's see if we can reach 222 likes on this video. So do hit that like button down below, and if you have not already subscribed, then do hit that subscribe button down below, because many more awesome content related to Android is going to come on the channel. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching.